Kuwait will be the latest customer of Eurofighter Typhoon 2 Multirole fighter. On March 1, 2016, the Kuwaiti National Assembly approved the procurement of 22 single-seat and 6 twin-seat Typhoons. And according to Leonardo's latest announcement, the first 2 of the 28 Eurofighters have been delivered to the Gulf state. Leonardo represents with its activities about 36% of the value of the entire program, with its key role in the aeronautical components and the onboard electronics. Leonardo also plays a key role in the evolution of the Eurofighter, thanks to the new EASA radar that equips the Eurofighter Typhoons for Kuwait, which increases the aircraft's performance and competitiveness. The Eurofighter Typhoon for the Kuwait Air Force features a wide range of operational capabilities built by Leonardo according to the specific requirements of the Kuwaiti Air Force. In addition to the 4 partner countries, which have already ordered 510 Typhoons, international customers now include Saudi Arabia, Australia, Oman, Kuwait, and Qatar, a total of 661 ordered planes. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multinational twin-engine, canard delta-wing Multirole fighter. The Typhoon was designed originally as an air superiority fighter and is manufactured by a consortium of Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. The Typhoon entered operational service in 2003 and is a highly agile aircraft, designed to be supremely effective dogfighter in combat. Later production aircraft have been increasingly better equipped to undertake air-to-surface strike missions and to be compatible with an increasing number of different armaments and equipment, including Storm Shadow and Brimstone missiles. The Typhoon had its combat debut during the 2011 military intervention in Libya with the UK's Royal Air Force and the Italian Air Force, performing aerial reconnaissance and ground strike missions. The TAP has also taken primarily responsibility for air defense duties for the majority of customer nations. My video about the Kuwait Eurofighter Typhoon 2 Multirole fighter ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.